Today I'll be reading all of part 1 of Chainsaw Man. So let's do it. So chapter 1. So it's a cool cover of Chainsaw Man. So it starts off with Denji and Pochita fighting a tomato devil. And Pochita are struggling. They're in debt. And they have enough food for 3 days. Wow. And Denji's like, if dreams do come true, I want to hug a girl before I die. So that's his goal. So Naruto says Hokage. Denji's dream, he just wants a hug. Oof. Yeesh. Yeah, the Yakuza aren't. Oh my gosh. They're definitely not the good guys. So Denji's like, I want you to live a normal life. And then make my dreams come true. So we see Denji and Pochita fusing. So that's pretty cool. So this is a contract. So I'll give you my heart in exchange. Show me your dreams. Wow, that's beautiful. Slashing through all the zombies. Okay. We see Makima show up. If you're my pet, I'll give you food. Food. What would I have for breakfast? Let's see. Bread with butter, jam, salad, coffee, and maybe dessert. And Denji's like, that's a dream come true. So chapter 2, the place where Pochita is. Denji and Makima in a car. Makima, did you forget you're my pet? Only answer with yes or woof. I don't need a dog that says no. What does that mean? I heard from an acquaintance in the crime division that our useless dogs get euthanized. Okay, the udon got soggy. What's your answer? Yes, ma'am. I thought she was nice. Treating me like a. Oh, damn. Denji wants to run away with this person. Oh, it's the muscle devil. So, what type of guy do you like? Someone like like this boy named Denji. Chainsaw Man. Yeah, Denji. Don't fall for it, Denji. Yeah, they're public safety devil hunters. And Denji Mitsaki. Aki beating up Denji in the alley. And Denji's like, when I fight guys, I only aim for the crotch. Today I ate udon for the first time, and a hot dog too. It's the first time I got treated like a person. It's the first time got treated to a meal. To me, this is like living a dream. Maybe I became a devil hunter for a very shallow reason, but I'm willing to die to keep living like this. Oh yeah, and Denji and Aki keep fighting. A testicle devil attacked his balls. That's a lie, he made that up. Do you think you can get along? Not a chance. This guy. So yeah, Aki is just getting annoyed with Denji. And then Power shows up. And Denji and Power in a rooftop. And then Power just smashes that devil. The glory, I did it. The glory is mine. Then Makima schooling both. Chapter 5. So Denji's saying how he's not gonna get along with power. And Makima and Aki are talking about all the devils. So the Bat Devil is here. Yeah, Power. Chapter 7. Power flashback with Meowie. And Denji turned into Chainsaw Man to fight the Bat Devil. Then yeah, they're fighting in the city. Denji throws a car with someone in it. That's like something that would happen, I feel. And if superpowers were real, I feel like that's something that would happen. Chapter 9. Denji saves power. Then the Leech Devil is disgusting. Chapter 10. Denji versus the Leech Devil. Aki saves Denji with Kon. And then Kobeni and Himeno, and I forgot the other guy's name, shows up. And Aki and Denji in the hospital. And then Aki and Power. Now Power moved in with them. And she's gonna reward Denji. Okay. Chapter 12. Yeah. So Denji and Power do the thing. And then Denji's telling Makima that he was happier chasing the dream. And Makima again. She's telling Denji if he can take out the Gun Devil, she'll grant him any wish. And Denji's like, really? We see the Gun Devil backstory, Aki's backstory, and how the Gun Devil took out 1.2 million people in 5 minutes. That's crazy. Chapter 14, French Kiss. Aki gives Denji and Power gum so they can calm down. And then they enter this hotel. This weird. And yeah, it's an infinite hotel. Yeah. And then they're just in a room. And Himeno flashback with Kishibe. No? Himeno flashback with Aki. And then we know how Aki picked up his smoking habit. In chapter 17, the Eternity Devil shows itself. And it wants Denji's heart. And in chapter 18, Chainsaw versus Eternity. And then Aki saves Denji. And Denji is gonna fight he fights the Eternity Devil. So Chainsaw Man, chapter 19, Noble Prize. So yeah, Denji's just slashing at this monster. The devil hunters that devil fear most. Wait, the devil hunters that devils fear most are the ones with a few screws loose. And then Himeno's like, this guy is absolutely bonkers. He might be able to take out that damn gun. And we see Denji beating the Eternity Devil. In chapter 20, the newbie welcome party. And they're all the devil hunters are having dinner. And Makima shows up. Oh, that Himeno and Denji throw up kiss. That's. And Denji's first indirect kiss. Then Makima's in the train. And she gets shot in the train by these guys. Chapter 23. All the devil hunters are getting attacked. And then there's the Katana Man in the bar. And then Denji. Yeah. Power goes after the Katana Man. Aki too. The Katana Man is a hybrid, just like Denji. And Aki pulls up his sword. And Aki's fighting the Katana Man, which is epic. Then Himeno's sacrifice was pretty good in the anime. The music was fire. And chapter 26. The Katana Man's fighting Chainsaw Man. Then Makima, she's alive. She gets back up. She heals herself. Because she's a horseman. And then she's just taking out all the Yakuza. Wow. Then Kobeni versus Katana Man. And what's her devil? What's Kobeni's devil? Because she said it was a secret, her devil. Is she a horseman? Then we see Aki reminiscing Himeno. And then we get introduced to Kashibe, the Giga Chad. And then, yeah, Power and Denji just training with Kashibe. And then, yep, they're saying they're going to beat him with their intelligence, which I don't know. And then chapter 31. Yeah, Denji and Power wearing glasses. And then Aki meeting the future devil. Then Aki makes the contract with the future devil. And then Kishibe is on to Makima. Chapter 33. Makima meets with the Yakuza. And then Kishibe's saying that we're going to throw every single... We get introduced to more fiends. Bean and the Angel Devil. They're... Chapter 35. And then Aki versus the Ghost Devil. Then Aki beats the Ghost Devil. And then Denji and Power in the elevator. And Power's just fighting the zombies. And Denji versus Katana Man Part 2 continues. Or starts. They're fighting in the train. And Denji beats him with his leg chainsaw. Chapter 38. Denji and Aki are bonding, kicking Chainsaw Man in the nuts over and over. And then Power, like, her horns got huge because of all the blood she drank. And Denji and Makima go on a date to the theaters. And Denji's just like head over heels over Makima. And then we get to see Reze. She appeared at the end of the anime. And then yeah, Denji is falling for Reze. In chapter 31, 41, chapter 41, Aki and the Angel Devil are just like hanging out. Reze and Denji just met Reze at her coffee shop. And they're in the school. Alright. So we have Denji and Reze in a school. Now in a pool. We have Denji and Reze is like singing this Russian song. Now her and Denji are in a carnival. And she's telling Denji to run away with her. Alright. Fireworks scene. This is Denji's first kiss. But then, she slashes at him. And she's trying to take Denji's heart. And then she turns out to be a hybrid. Chapter 45, A Fine Day for Explosions. Then she's fighting Beam. And then she enters the Devil Hunters. Then Aki and Angel in the car. Then Reze just pulls up with two devil hunters in her hands. Oh shit. And Denji recovers and he's ready to fight Reze. I like the chapters' names. They're like Kaboom, Kaboom, Kaboom. And then, yeah, Reze and Denji are just fighting. She beats Denji. And then Aki slashes at her. Then Aki versus Reze. So, chapter 49, Aki versus Reze. And the Angel Devil recovers Denji. And now Denji and Beam versus Reze and the Typhoon Devil. Chapter 50. We're halfway there, guys. It's a kaiju battle. And then Aki and Angel. Aki grabs Angel's hands. And Angel can take people's lifespan. And then Aki has only like not much because of the curse sword. Denji's riding Beam like a horse. And now it's just Denji versus Reze. Yeah, Denji and Reze go to the ocean. They wake up in the shore. Denji still wants to go with Reze. And then she says no. Interesting. Huh. So it says, an American journalist tracked down the truth for a while. It was the talk of the town, even when published photos. And I was talking about it. The girl who tricked Denji was one of... Whoa. The soldiers the Soviets created to serve. Dang. Oof, Makima. Reze versus Makima. And Denji's waiting for Reze, but Power shows up. Okay, chapter 53, guys. We're here. So my heart was stolen away by Reze. I might never feel joy or sadness from the rest of my life. Ever since I've been busy for a while, I'm going to take some paid time off to visit Enoshima. Do you three want to come? And then Denji's just excited. Oh man, a trip with Makima. It's like a dream come true. Yeah, and public safety is not a fan of Denji becoming famous from Chainsaw Man. Oh, damn, this chapter is good. So Angel and Aki are talking. It says devils have an endless cycle of death and rebirth. You don't know. You don't know, but you're a devil. Do you remember? So what are you getting at? Don't. Okay. I asked the other special division devils, and none of them remember hell. They, only they do remember the last sound they heard before dying in hell. A sound. What is it? The strange thing is, everyone in the special division remembers the same sound. What kind of sound? It started. I started Chainsaw's engine during the last battle. The broom sound he made, it's the same sound as that. Ooh, so some Chainsaw Man lore. So all the devils in hell, when they get reincarnated back to Earth, they hear the chainsaw sound. And then we have three immortals going after Denji. We have this couple going after Denji. We have a harem. This cool girl with the eye patch going after Denji in China. I heard Quan Chi will be coming from China as an assassin. In all likelihood, her fiend companions will come with her. Now, how shall we? I'm not too neat in approaching that one. If the entirety of humanity came together and held a bare knuckle fighting tournament, Quan Chi would take first place. Really, that's coming from Kashibe. So the harm lady's pretty good. Huh. So Denji Aki's trying to make Denji feel better. They're saying that they will go to that trip after this international assassinations arc ends. Okay. Think it's okay to catch and eat those birds. So chapter 55. We meet Denji's bodyguards. Three of them. And then one of the immortals from overseas turns into a public safety devil hunter. And then Power and Denji are just eating at a restaurant with everyone else. Power clearly doesn't like vegetables. Oh, we see that one of the assassins is here. I've never eaten a hamburger before. What do you think? So we have Kobeni and Violence having an ice cream date. And then one of the fake devil hunters goes, yeah. And then chapter 57. Koben Power runs the fake devil hunter with Kobeni's car. And then, ooh, in the alley, Yoshida, he took out the other immortal. Then chapter 58, Yutaro Kurose, Halloween. We have Quan Chi and her harem. They're gonna eat sushi. She's trying to show off her knowledge of fish. And Quan Chi's like, I don't need nor want to know that. Then Halloween. This other fiend is eating plates, literal plates, and then spit those out. Plates aren't edible. Chew, and then Quan Chi's like, chew your food before you swallow. And then, I'm out of energy for the day. The job can wait until tomorrow. Okay. Okay. People started turning into stuff. We have the couples, chapter 59, mess. So we have the last immortal, the couples, and then Quan Chi's and her fiends. Then Makima's with the spider devil. Oh, they're okay. A bunch of people turned into dolls. And then the stone devil turns into stone. There's a bunch of them. And then the bodyguards are there. So chapter 60, Quan Chi and the Fiends. So the angel devil is showing off his sword against the dolls. Then Quan Chi just blitz through these devil hunters. She's like taking out devil hunters, dolls. Now we're, yeah, like no. Now she's like in front of the main cast, and then Denji and Power like what? Oh, Kashiba's here and Quan Chi. Quan Chi versus Yoshida, and then Kashibe and Quan Chi are talking. And Quan Chi goes for the kick. And then she throws Kashibe off the building. And then Beam saves Denji. Quan Chi versus Yoshida. Oh, and the cursed devil gets Denji. Then Trip to Hell. That's crazy. Yeah, so everyone in that building just got transported into hell. It looks nice. It's like so green. And then there's a bunch of doors in the ceiling, and something emerges. An astronaut. The Hell Devil. No, it's the Darkness Devil. Yeah, a bunch of bisected astronauts. I guess because of the fear of dark. And then the darkness devil just takes everyone's hands off, and it spells Makima. The hand spell out Makima. And the real Santa Claus takes a piece of the darkness devil. And yeah, no one can do anything to the darkness devil. It's a primal devil. It's a primal fear. And it's about to get Aki. And the angel devil starts bleeding. Then Makima gets transported. Makima versus the darkness devil. And Denji versus Santa Claus starts. Chapter 67. So Quan Shi is a hybrid. Not surprised. And her and Denji are fighting Santa Claus. And Quan Shi, yeah, more. Chapter 68. Denji versus Santa Claus continues. Chapter 69. Shining Power. And Santa Claus. Denji just puts Santa Claus on fire. Because she's a darkness devil, and I guess light. And then. Wow. Hey, isn't that the Fearless? Oh, and Denji and Quan Shi are just. So Denji beat Santa Claus. And then Quan Chi just slashes at Denji. Truce is over. Quan Chi, I'll add you to my dolls one day. Time to work Cosmos. Halloween. Oh yeah, Cosmos? It's basically Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. Her Halloween powers are like infinite void. It's like all the knowledge of the universe. And then yeah, and but whenever you get out of her power, all you can say is Halloween, Halloween. And then Makima appears. Then Makima versus Quan Shi. We get a little flashback of Kashiba and Quan Shi. Not a flashback, but it's like a side note. And the Chainsaw Man popularity poll. First place is Power. Second place is Makima. Third place is Aki. Fifth place is Denji. No, fourth place is Reze. Fifth place is Denji. Sixth place, what is sixth place? Is the Angel Devil. Seventh is Kobeni's car. Eighth is Kobeni. Kobeni's car. Kobeni's car ranked higher than Kobeni herself. And then ninth place is Pochita. 10th is Yoshida. Interesting. And 11th is Himeno. I don't know why it was 11th. It was fine to end it at 10. 10th place. And then Power is just having nightmares because of the Darkness Devil, what the Darkness Devil did. Then Aki wants to pull out of the Gun Devil mission to protect Denji and Power. Interesting. This is Aki's whole mission. It's wow. And then Makima was saying the Gun Devil's already been defeated. And that's a crazy prediction from the future devil. And Aki visits the angel devil in the hospital. So, chapter 71. Yeah, Power is just having nightmares from the darkness devil. Chapter 72. Aki wants to pull out of the Gun Devil mission. And then Denji and Power make him a meal, which. And then chapter 73. Makima says the Gun Devil's already been defeated. And the future devil gives like a chilling vision to Aki. And in chapter 74, Aki and the angel devil are like chilling. They see Makima. And Makima's asking Aki to do a contract with her. And then the angel devil's like, oh no, she's evil. And then the United States president says, Gun Devil, I'll give you 1 year of the lifespans of the American people. In exchange, I want you to take out Makima. That is the control devil. So Makima versus the Gun Devil. Makima versus the Gun Devil. Chapter 76. Yeah, the Gun Devil is just total, man. Like, chapter 77. Yeah. Chapter 77. Aki fused with the Gun Devil. Aki fused with the Gun Devil. Chapter 78. Denji versus Aki. Chapter 79. People are helping Denji. They're giving him blood. And then Aki. Yeah. Damn. Chapter 80. No more Aki, guys. Wow. Chapter 80. Denji's down, of course. And then Makima's trying to make him feel better. And then Makima's treating Denji like a dog, and Makima just takes out Power. Just like that. What the fuck? Yeah, Makima was never a good person. She's like always had these evil hints. And even Denji's like, what do you mean? And then, yeah. And she's like, your hands are cold again, you poor thing. Shall we go inside? What? Denji's traumatized, of course. And Makima just starts laughing. And Denji just lays down on the couch. Finally, Kashibe is here. So Kashibe is here. And they summon the Hell Devil to send Makima to hell. And then Makima's just controlling Denji. And then Denji turns into like this cool Chainsaw Man form. Like cool buff. Like The real chain. I'm guessing this is the real Pochita. And yeah. And Kashiva's like, you just, what the hell are you? Me? What am I? And Makima saying she's a fan of the. She's a fan of the hero of hell, Chainsaw Man. The devils that Chainsaw Man eats, their names are erased from existence. The sixth sense that all humans used to have, the light of a particular star that would break children's minds, four possible conclusions other than death at the end of living lifespans. They all cease to exist, and I can't recall them, yet I remember the sight of their devils fighting Chainsaw Man as clear as day. Yeah, Chainsaw Man comes back from hell. And he goes right after Makima. And then we have Kobeni in a restaurant. She's going to give Chainsaw Man food and she slips. Date Chainsaw, chapter 86. And then Chainsaw Man and Kobeni go on a date. And then she dances. Kobeni's just dancing. Makima and more devil hunters with her. So you fought the weapon devils and the four horsemen who are now here. At the height of the battle, you banished before our eyes. So that's where Pochita met Denji in Earth. And then I guess Makima's been looking for him. During this battle, let's Chainsaw Man, let's bring this battle, not just Makima, the other horsemen. So Public Safety Devil Extermination Special Division 5. Yeah, they're all hybrids. They're going after Chainsaw Man. Ooh. And the Flamethrower hybrid. Reze again. The Spear hybrid. Makima throws Denji into space, or Chainsaw Man into space. He rips out his heart and then just throws it back at Earth. And then he's regenerating. And he just takes out four of them. Like, no, three hybrids and Makima, the horseman. Then Kobeni's dancing. Makima's gonna attack Kobeni, but then Chainsaw Man stops her. And then chapter 90. 7 more chapters to go. We have Power reviving as the real Blood Devil. And then she gives Denji to Makima so easily. And then never mind, she saves Denji. She saves Denji and tells him to find her in hell. And Denji, yeah, and Kobeni are just sitting in a room. And then ooh, that's a cool scene. Denji's like where the devil hunters are. Like, yeah. Denji meets Makima again pretty quickly too. Chapter 94. Denji versus the hybrids again. And Makima gives Denji blood and they start fighting. And they like fighting, regenerating, fighting, regenerating. And then she takes Pochita from Denji. And then Denji appears out of nowhere, like his human form, and then just attacks Makima with a real chainsaw, not the devil chainsaw. We see Denji eating, and then Denji, he eats Makima. And then the control devil's been revived, and Kashive wants Denji to eat. To So the control devil got revived, and Kashive wants Denji to be their caretaker for now. And then Pochita, the hero of hell, his dream was to have someone hug him. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty nice dream. And then Chainsaw Man beat another devil. Do you think Chainsaw Man is human? Killing devils is supposed to be his hobby, you know. They say he only saves girls. Hey, have you heard? Rumor has it Chainsaw Man. Wow. Oh yeah. End of part 1, public safety arc. And then we see Denji just ready to fight another devil. That's pretty cool. End of part 1. And we have Yoru in the first chapter saying how she's gonna make Chainsaw Man spit nuclear weapons back up. This chapter foreshadowed like a future Chainsaw Man and War Devil fight, like the real Chainsaw Man. What if Yoru and Asa beat Denji